Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, we are going to watch how to fill up C-5 form, which is Jamaican custom declaration form when you enter Jamaica. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries have custom declaration process and it's good that now they have this electronic process where you can fill this form before you enter and they will have all the details for you. So how you're going to fill it, I'm going to show it to you. So the very first thing is to verify your email. So you need to put your email here and then click on continue. It will send a code and then that code you put it back and then it will take you further. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to see you again. So after you verify, this is how the form goes. First is the personal information section where you need to put your name and then birth date as per your passport and family members, how many are coming with you. So if nobody, then just zero. Then your contact info address. Passport details need to be as per your traveling passport, country of issue. Make sure these things match. Now coming here, flight name like Delta Airline, Air Canada, whatever. Flight number, departure port, example Miami, like from where you're going. Let's say you're going from Toronto, then put Toronto. Travel date. Then your purpose of visit. If you have other, you can provide here. How many days you are gonna stay in days, number of pieces of luggage, and checked luggage and hand luggage. Okay, so both. So make sure you understand this. Number of packages shipped. And now what you are bringing, fruit, plant, curd, flour, seeds, pharmaceutical, chemical, uh, narco, radioactive, nuclear substance. So just read it and then provide that information. Do you have spouse and children under 18-year age? You can put their name. You can add more if you want. Relation. All passenger, like you have allowance, okay. 18 and above have US $500 allowance. If you are in doubt, then if you have any doubt about items that you're carrying, you can put this. Then when you submit, you're gonna get an acknowledgement. So that's how it works, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. And then you can go there with like you'll get the acknowledgement and that you can carry. And with that, we'll have all the information about the next steps so that you can carry and then it will help you. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.